Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report sponsored by Delta.exchange. And today the market behaved exactly like yesterday. What happened yesterday? Nifty opened moderately lower, then fell, and after the European market opened, fell even more and tested a low. In the last 1 hour, there was about 100-point recovery in Nifty. And today also, it's exactly the same. Nifty opened moderately lower, then went down. After the European market opened, further down. In the last 1 hour, there was a 100-point recovery. But only difference is that today is an expiry day and many people have made a lot of money in options and many people would have lost also. Because the trading is a zero-sum game. Somebody to make money, somebody has to lose money. So that is the overall picture today. But the overall picture is very, very bad. In Bank Nifty, it can fall 900 points yesterday, then recover 200 points. Today it fell another 600 points, then recovered 200 points. But still on a close to close basis, yesterday 700 points and today more than 300 points. So more than 1000 point fall in just 2 trading sessions. So the Bank Nifty is always like that. While moving up also it will move like anything, 3000, 4000 point, or while falling also it will behave like that. And State Bank of India particularly, I don't know, I remember saying it was trading around 620, 625 few days before, and today I saw around 590, 591. So there was a big fall. It is understandable that nowadays, the people, sell before the results. State Bank of India results come tomorrow. So overall the Bank Nifty underperformed and IT did slightly better. Now, I've been telling you if Nifty comes below 19,400, market will become bearish. That is as per some technical analysis which I follow. I just said roughly 19,400, but precisely it is 19,391, and today exactly Nifty closed at 19,391. So which means that now the market is at a very, very crucial juncture. Any fall below this on a closing basis, of course today the market fell below this, but I'm talking about the close. For longer term trend, so no, we wait for close to close basis. So if market tomorrow, if it closes below this level, then definitely markets will become bearish. But one day we have to give a chance. Why? Because there are too many things. Number one news came, there is no change in fundamental, there is no change in anything else except this credit downgrade. So 2 days of fall, probably sometime it can be factored in completely. Third day the markets can stabilize. That's number one. And number two, Apple, Amazon, both will be declaring the results tomorrow morning. And tomorrow during the market hours, State Bank of India will declare the results. And then because the markets have been falling very severely, you may remember, I always say, from Monday to Thursday, the markets have fallen so much, and Friday until afternoon also if the markets are very weak, then during the last 1.5 hours, there can be a sharp recovery. So that is very much possible tomorrow. So we are at I can say we are at an inflection point. Things can go either way, but tomorrow around this time, I will confirm whether the markets are bearish or bullish. And now clearly the strategy should be sell and rise, not buy and dip. So far I have been telling you it's a buy and dip. 80 to 100 point intraday, 250 to 300 point positionally, it was a buy and dip market. But now with this news, the price action, of course I will confirm tomorrow, but right now it is time to be cautious. And today, the weekly expiry could also be a reason for this kind of volatility. the positioning and this and that. But looking at the open interest, 19,500 to 19,800 call options are being added, 19,800 to 19,500 put options. There is some unwinding, and also people are taking 19,500 short straddle. So August series is a 5-week series, only 1 week is over. We still have complete 20 more trading sessions, 4 weeks. So things can go anyway. So it's better to have some kind of understanding through the technicals to take the position. But after a long time, markets are becoming very, very, dynamic, and markets are moving violently. And then because Nifty has shot up nearly 3,000 points in the last 4 months rally, if the sell-off comes, easily it can give up 1/3 of that. So in that case, Nifty can fall about 1,000 to 1,500 points, but the Nifty has already fallen 500 to 600 points. Technicals, like it will not show you exactly at the top. After falling some, then only the technical will show the bearishness, but the markets will fall further. So anyway, as I told you, I am not confirming this today, I will confirm tomorrow. So tomorrow, therefore, it's a very, very important day. Meanwhile, FIIs have sold only for about 317 crore. So FII is selling has subsided. But domestic institutions have bought for 1,729 crore. So therefore, on a net basis, it's a more than 1,400 crore buy, but still, when the sentiment is bad, it cannot arrest the fall. So right now, US futures are lower, European markets are lower, European Central Bank has increased the rate by 25 basis point, but all these are all factored in. Now the bigger news is the credit rating. And even our services PMI data also came around 62 something, which is a fantastic figure. All over the world, people are struggling around 50. Now we have 62. So that seems to be very, very good. So economic data wise, India, no problem. But only thing is, next week RBI policy and the inflation. And inflation may be because of this tomato price. Tomato price and onion price, will have a more weightage on consumer price inflation data. So inflation is likely to be higher. So probably that is one of the reasons why banking stocks are being sold into. So anyway, so tomorrow we will confirm the trend, and next week will be more crucial because of RBI policy and other things. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.